Show us. Yeah.
There you see a big end bearing in small pieces. I repeat, 2000s. Pina, say bye bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to another great video. What is this? Who the fuck is TÜV? Show us. Show us. Yeah. That is a turbo engine. Yeah. That's a really nice car from a guy from Kaiserslautern. He is from the US and is here at the airbase in Ramstein. And he has a small problem with his engine. He drives here at the Autobahn and then comes a knocking noise or something like this, and then the engine turns off, and yeah, now the engine is here. I think here is a problem with the piston or rod bearing, but more with the piston. We will disassemble the complete engine. It has a Cosworth intake, a big precision turbo, and open wastegate here. And you will never get a permit for this car here in Germany, but when you are here from the US, then you can do it. The car has something about 730 horsepower at the wheels, and yeah, looks great. Here is an EJ25 with Darton sleeves and Manley rods, Manley piston and Manley crank. We will now check if we can rescue some parts there, and we have to rebuild the whole engine. Let's go. Okay, here we see, here's a big oil leak here. We don't know really where it comes from, but I think they are from a turbo. There's a little bit of oil, and maybe from the damage. I don't hope it, but maybe it is. Yeah. Here you see open wastegate. Okay, we just checked that the engine doesn't turn. I think there's a bigger damage, maybe an complete broken piston or a ripped off rod. Not good. The engine is pulled out, and we see here is not working so nice because everywhere are so strips for the connectors and wrong screws, and we found old tools here. I think here is a bit, not from us, from another, and the engine was leaking oil before. I think the engine before is built not so good, but now we can do it better. So today now is over. Alex said it was a really fucked up job because all screws are tightened too hard and a lot of shit. Okay, tomorrow we continue the teardown, and then we see what happened there exactly. See you tomorrow.
Oh, there you see a big end bearing in small pieces, or a little bit bigger pieces. Not nice. I repeat, 2000s. You see this turbo? Oh yeah, and here are P bolts. I think they can't handle more than 500 horsepower. Stock gasket, but that's not a problem. A sleeved engine, I think that are darten sleeves, and small scratches here. Here you can see that the piston touched the head here at the top. That is the problem when you have a problem with the bearing, but then the piston goes too high. Okay, let's split the engine. And here you see why it is oil leaking from the back of the engine, because the gasket here, the O-ring sitting complete, fail, much too deep. Yeah. There it is. Whoa. Okay. Wait. Open these screws. Let's check the main bearings. A lot of particles. What is that? Okay, ACL. Yeah, a lot of particles in the oil system. I hope that this nice manly crank is not too hard damaged. This one feels good. Aua. Nimm mal den Cobra-Schlagschrauber da. Ciao, ciao, crankshaft. Maybe we can use it again. Looks like brand new ones. Okay, guys. Put the piston out here, and we check if we can hone and bore the cylinders. I don't know which diameter it is currently. Oh, manlay pistons. Okay, here I can show you that the cylinder was not honed correct, because you see here this edge and here, and we have it on all pistons. That is why the clearance, the cylinder to wall piston, was not correct at the bottom of the cylinder, because it is not easy to hone a boxer engine good, because the hones don't have to go till the end, and the end here of a cylinder is pretty near of the main journal. And when you do it for the first time, you have the problem that the cylinder is here good, but here down it is not correct. Yeah. Okay. Which diameter we have? Take the camera, Alex. So 0 is 99.75, and that here is that is 100.08 in the middle of the cylinder, 0.8, and you see it down here, it is 100.01 or 2. That means at the bottom of the cylinder there's 600 less clearance versus the top. Good, yeah. Okay, give me the camera. So now we need a new crankshaft. We need maybe one new rod. We check the other ones. We need, of course, new pistons. We need maybe custom pistons because there are sleeves, or we build another sleeve block. Then we need a lot of more new parts. That means we have to rebuild the heads complete. We need, of course, a new oil cooler because there are a lot of particles. A new Mishimoto oil cooler, and we have to clean all lines and everything. New oil pan, new pickup, because you see this escalation. Yes, that is a pretty hard damage, and the customer hoped that this was only a rod problem, but it is a much bigger problem with the cylinders. So I would say he needs a sexy Stage X block. That means complete sleeves with close stack and Cooper wire ring modification with fat head studs, not RP 2000. Our Subi-Performance Ultra Performance head studs, and then he can handle this power, not with the engine like this, and he needs a new crankshaft here. Yes, and before I forget it, on Friday I check out who win the nice souvenir from the last video. I hope you enjoy it. See you and bye bye. I just cutting the video and I only try to explain you why the cylinder at the engine is so bad honed, because that is the hone stone. It's sitting here like this and works like this. And I only go here to a cylinder, and when it works like this, you see there is a hole at the bottom of the cylinder for the piston pin, and it works like this, and it uses up here at the end of the stone much more because you have these holes, and so it is a little bit tricky to hone this cylinder correct, that the diameter is here correct, here correct, here correct, and at the end correct. And I think the engine builder before don't know it, that you have to check that, because normal pistons, normal cylinders without this hole, this is not a problem. So now bye bye. Ciao, Pina. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.